Welcome to this Quest Enterprise Reporter video demonstration. In many organizations, it's crucial to have information available at a moment's notice for the sake of auditing and compliance. Enterprise Reporter addresses that need intuitively and easily, with both basic and granular reporting capabilities for a wide variety of Microsoft platforms. I'll be showing you how to create, manage, and run discoveries, as well as reports. We'll be starting with the Configuration Manager, which can be accessed through the Start menu. The Configuration Manager is where nodes and clusters that gather the requested data are configured, all accessible through an intuitive interface. Here we can manage discovery clusters and discoveries, set system configuration information, and even access popular help articles. We have a pre-configured cluster as seen in the Cluster Details tab, with a node that we'll assign to gather some data, visible in the Directory Nodes tab. From these tabs, you can add, edit, control nodes and clusters, as well as upgrade them and view any deployment errors. You can also configure cluster options like shared data location, timeouts, and log file sizes. For more information on Enterprise Reporter or to access our 30-day free trial, please visit us online. Thank you for watching.